I'm here with another interesting fundamental topic of chemistry that's called mole concept. This concept you have been studying right from standard 9 onwards, whatever your syllabus, CBSE, ICSE, state boards, whatever. This topic is very important in competitive exams also, like JEE and NEET. Today we will discuss few basic aspects of mole concept like what is mole, how it is useful in understanding mass of the particle. Most of the students don't know what actually a mole is even after studying the whole chapter. So that I came here to help you. Alright. So just tell me, when you buy shoes, you buy one pair of shoes, right? And when you buy eggs, you usually ask for a dozen of eggs because you know that one dozen of any item actually possesses 12 numbers. In the same way, mole is just a word that represents a number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Such a big number. This number is also known as Avogadro's number. Not because he discovered it, it's just named for him because he contributed a lot for chemistry. Okay, you know why mole concept is important? This concept actually helps us to count and measure the number and weight of atoms and molecules simply by calculation. Thus, a mole is anything, any particle, like any atom or any molecule, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 of that much of particle. That is, let me check an example. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms represent 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen molecules represents 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 hydrogen molecules. 1 mole of water molecules means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 water molecules. Thus, 1 mole of anything means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is. That is, 1 mole is just a word. A mole is just a word which represents the number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. You agree? You know about International Mole Day? It's actually celebrated on October 23 from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. What does it mean? I'll tell you. Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, right? This 23 represents the date, that is October 23. This 10 represents the month October, and the 6.022 represents 6:0 a.m. to 6:0 p.m. It's interesting. And the mole day was created in such a way to increase interest in chemistry among students. Sorry. Okay. Let's check atomic masses of some elements. You should by heart at least this much elements and their atomic masses. Right. It's very important for the calculation of molar masses. How we can calculate molar masses? Actually, molar mass is the mass expressed in gram per mole of the substance. I will explain with an example. Say CO2. Okay, CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. In CO2, there is one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. You agree? What is the atomic mass of one carbon atom? It's around 12. Actually, it is 12 gram per mole. What's the atomic mass of one oxygen atom? One oxygen atom, it is around 16 gram per mole. And therefore, two oxygen atom, it is 32 grams per mole. For finding molar mass, we should add both. That is 12 plus 32, which is equal to 44 gram per mole. Okay, it's simple, right? If you understand the example of CO2, you should practice these three questions. That is, what's the molar mass of NaCl? What is the molar mass of H3O? What's the molar mass of H2SO4? The answer has been given, but you should practice it with the atomic mass table. Okay. Thank you for listening and have a great day.